bad. MPA is down. MPA Lagos Island, MPA headquarter. Burning now. Burning MPA headquarter now. Everywhere is catching fire. Now, MPA just catching fire. All the cars destroy. They destroy all the fucking cars at MPA now. MPA is on fire. CMS everywhere is down. CMS, can you see CMS? Can you see MPA? Everywhere is down now. Everywhere is down. Fucking down. Everywhere is fucking down. Everywhere is fucking down. The protesters are angry. People are angry. Nigerian people are angry now. Everywhere is down. MPA is on fucking fire now. The MPA, Nigerian authorities, is on fire. Every car destroyed, front and back, everything looting. Everything is fucking down, man. Fucking down. See, this is Lagos Island. This is Marina. Now, everywhere is down.